Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok stock on loading. So I will be showing you a few methods on how to fix TikTok stock on loading. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. You can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile and see if this method works. Another way to fix this one is by just going to your Google web browser and then search for speed test. You have to make sure that connection is stable, so run speed test. Now, once you tap this one, you will see if your connection is stable or not. If yes, then you need to proceed with the next method. Now that you know that there's nothing wrong with your internet, next thing to do is you have to go to your TikTok, long press, go to app info. This time you have to look for storage usage, and then you need to look for clear cache. So you have to tap on clear cache here. Also clear data if possible. And then you need to go back and see if this method works. If not, then you need to go to your Google Play Store. And another way to fix this one is to make sure that you are using the latest version of your TikTok application. So search here TikTok, and you need to look for the update button right here. Tap on the update and then wait a couple of seconds. And once done, you can now open your TikTok and see if this fixed the problem. If not, again, the next thing you should do here is to check TikTok server status. If TikTok is down for others, you will have to wait for them to fix it. But as you can see here, everything is okay. You will read or you will see that TikTok isn't down. So if not, the next thing you should do here is to uninstall and reinstall your TikTok, and lastly, restart your device. So I hope by following any of this method, it will fix TikTok stock unloading. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.